Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's unboxing video I'll be opening up these two mermaid BJDs from KIKAGOODS along with the bag. I'm looking forward to this. I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks. In today's video I have these two BJDs. These are really nice mermaid BJDs that I found on KIKAGOODS. They are called Mermaid Chuchu series, and these are the options you can get. So this one is Fast and Furious, this one is Gourmet, this one is Adventure, this one is Librarian, this one's the Dancer, and this one, just that one. Sorry, I have to use my laptop to find the names. What's this one? Oh, I don't know what this one is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Oh, anyway. So they're really big boxes. I only got two, but they are a blind box. I am very excited about this. I used to love unicorns and mermaids as a kid, and then I saw this product on KIKAGOODS and I thought they looked amazing. So I've just got the two. So let's start opening them. Oh, that's not so good. They'll be in blister packs. So pull that one out. Oh. Cute is that? Box aside. There's a little tag. Oh, look at the little card. That's very cute. I think I got, this one's Gourmet. And she comes with a little top. Right, let's get her out. Oh, these are so nice. Look at these. And she comes with two little extra side fins. Well, they feel very, very rubbery, kind of almost gel-like. She's got little plastic in between. Out. Look at that. Look at the detail on the face and just the hair. It's got this like nice orange and yellow, and then like this opaque kind of hair. And look at the eyes. It's so pretty. Just got a little tail. Oh, it's like a rubbery jelly. Ooh, a little loose. Little rubbery. So all their tails are all different. So they're all different style. And the hair, oh, it's so cute. Right, put these little side things on. Just pop in like that. Oh, really pretty dolls. I mean, you can't really do much dress-wise. Maybe a little dress, I think, over the top, but yeah, just display. Move. Tails a bit too. Oh, it's been stuck. Oh, there we go. Oh, stuck in paint. Okay. Oh, the hair is so pretty. I really like the hair. Hands. It's got little blushing over her little torso and her face and her ears. These are really cute. Alright, let's see if you can sit. Maybe. Maybe. Maybe not. To be like a posing. I know. Put her arms back like that. Just kind of laying out like that. So this is a little dress. Oh no, not dress, a little tube. So that makes sense. On the top. Like that. Oh. So cute. Oh, I love the little fins. Oh, so cute in the hair. Oh, put it back there. Kind of posing a little bit. Like that. There's a card. Alright, so put that away. Right, so we got another one. Didn't really say which ones I want. I really want the one on the front cover. I think the one on the front is really nice. So that one's called The Dancer. Even the Hidden Librarian would be really nice, which is not there. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. Must be this one. I think the hidden astronomer is really nice as well, but that's a super one. Okay, so got this next one. Tab. Put her up. 3, 2, 1. Oh. No way, is that it? No, I got Adventure. Her name's Adventure, not The Secret, but oh, look at the colours. There's her card. There's another little bow top. Alright, get her out. Side fins. Like that. Wow, isn't she pretty? Look at that. Oh, look at the iridescentness on her hair. Let's just see that changing colour. Oh, so pretty. Look at her. Fins. Stick safety stuff. There. Left and right. Yep. Left and right. I love her hair. Look how it changes colour. Oh, she can be stiff. Paint. Oh, pretty. She is so pretty. Oh, these are such nice little BJDs. And the price I thought was pretty reasonable too. I like the price point that they were. Right, put the little top on. happy with these. These look so cute and they're so nice. How cute are they? They've both got like different tails and different fins and different hair detail. And makeup's similar. Oh, they're such a nice thing. It's so pretty. I don't think they're gonna do very well sitting up. No. Right, just gonna lay them there for a second. And the other product I got to go with these was this bag. Now, I wouldn't say this bag is something that I would go out and wear, but the way the product was associated with the bag and how you display the doll in the bag, it just looks so nice. I really liked it. I was really impressed with it. So I was just happy just to have a doll in there, just in display. So as you can see, the bag itself, it looks like a water bottle. So it looks like the little mermaids are trapped inside the water bottle, and I just thought that was so cool. So I've just bought one, and I'll probably just display one inside the bag, and then the other one will just be sitting on the shelf. But I just thought that was, what a great idea, what a great little concept that was. So there's more bits inside. I'm just going to open that up. With the bag strap. It also comes with a little plate thing that you can tie up the doll. Looks a bit dirty on the inside. Just need to clean that up. Something lying around. Not really. Like, no, you need something. Just use that to vinyl on the inside to make it clearer. Like that. That's better. So now what you do is you've got this little board. I think I might go that way. And then put her in there. Just alright. All you do is just around their waist. And then, so the way that it was displayed, it was like the little mermaid was like pressing up against the glass bottle as if trying to get out. Right. Then she just slips into there. Hopefully. And then, right, you can just you should turn your arms around. Hands around. Oh. Like that. There we go. So then she's like looking out through the bottle, as if she's trying to get out. This doesn't want to go the way I want it to go. Not like that. And then zip that close, and we've got like a little tag that goes around the bottle. On the top of the bottle. And that strap comes down. And this just ties around here. That. That just looks like a little tag on the bottle, but how good is that? So it looks like little mermaids trapped in a little water, in a little bottle. I love that. That's such a nice thing. So I'll just probably hang her up on the side of the shelf, hanging down. And here's it's got a little pearl strap. And just onto the side. I just love that. Too much reflection. And this is a nice big strap. But just that as a display, I think that is brilliant. It's just so nice. Yeah. Cars. And even her, they're pretty. So pretty. So, my favourites for today are everything. I love it all. I love both the dolls. I love the bag. I love the concept of everything. I just think it is just fantastic. So, thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this BJD blind box opening. I certainly have some more box openings planned as well. So if you like my content, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below what you thought of these cute little mermaid dolls, and I'll see you in the next one.